What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to easily create the Starburst list in your Google Docs, right? So if this is something that you'd find useful and you're seeing the channel for the first time, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below and hit the subscribe button so that you will become a part of this community. Now, how do you do this? Now, if you're working with a list within your Google document and would like to use the Starburst list, all you have to do is just simply highlight the document or highlight the list of what you would like the Starburst to use. Now, once you do that, you want to simply click from the menus, you want to simply click on bulletin list. Now, once you click on the bulletin drop down list, guys, you will find a few options. And the middle bottom one, or let's say the middle one in the second row, you'll be able to click on that and get that option. So if you click on this, guys, you realize that you now have the Starburst list. And if you continue with your list, so let's say I want to add another one to the list, let's say list 6, it will automatically start to continue the list using the Starburst list. And that's how easy it is to use the Starburst list or to create a Starburst list in Google Docs. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.